Make no mistake that the Flint water crisis is the tip of the iceberg when we ask questions about the ways that racism and white supremacy have wrapped themselves around the very structures and institutions of American life. But it doesn't end there. The shutting down of a health department, facing emergency management, that's another story. Same process, same potential consequences. And those consequences, they're going to reverberate throughout history, right? If we pay attention to research about social mobility in this country, if you're talking about a poor African-American boy whose family earns in the lowest quintile of earnings in this country, the probability that that boy will ever earn in the highest quintile is 3.5%. I want you to ask yourself what happens when that boy's brain, the best weapon that child has against poverty, has been blunted by the force of lead before that kid ever knew what was coming. Those are the consequences. But the fact of the matter is, corporatist policies, they are not just relegated to poor, urban, African-American communities. I think about people in white, rural, poor communities. They've watched the jobs in their communities leave. They've been replaced by gigs that pay less, that don't come with benefits, don't come with health care. And the fact of the matter is that the corporate elite who both engineered the circumstance of our economic recession in 2007 through 2009 and also engineered the recovery had forgotten about both poor working black folks in places like Flint and Detroit and poor and working white folks in places like Kalkaska or Petoskey. And the fact of the matter, though, is that corporations got bailed out. Nobody ever went to jail over that. They are doing just fine. Corporate profits, in fact, are up. They have been up. But labor participation stagnated. Real wage, it's down. Those are the facts of American life. It does not matter if you're talking about poor or working black folks or poor or working white folks, poor or working brown folks. Those are the facts of American life when you move beyond the economic elite.